Before anything else, there's a heartbeat. Not of blood, but of signal. Born 150 years ago, from the spark of human curiosity, it pulsed through copper, then fiber, then air itself. The heartbeat carries impact, crafted with precision and built to endure. Each heartbeat carries joy, the spark of competition. It carries closeness. It fuels curiosity, learns, and protects. And when every second matters, it's already there. You won't hear it, but without it, nothing moves. That heartbeat, old enough to have seen many horizons, young enough to start the next, strong enough to carry us forward, toward a world we've yet to discover.